And basically, I'll take you and show you guys what I got for the channel. Pretty exciting stuff here, actually. So, don't mind. I love my sports, so sports is always on TV, just as background noise, highlights. I've already watched them. They're half an hour intervals, so I've already gone through this 2 or 3 times this morning. Don't want to see it anymore. So basically, I'll turn the camera around here. Don't mind the mess, just some flyers and stuff. But basically, what we got some lenses for the iPhone here, which I shoot with most of the time for pictures, just to improve the quality of the pictures, so you guys can enjoy that. This case here, I'll dive into that a little bit later. This here is my new tripod, so I can get better video stability, and I don't have to use my hand all the time to hold my phone. Mic, so the quality of the sound in the video when I'm speaking is going to be a lot better, and I'll actually be able to vlog a lot better in the upcoming car season. This in this little box is just a little car charger that I picked up. 3 ports so I can charge a couple batteries of the GoPros, and what I'm about to dive into that I just picked up a couple days ago, and my phone, of course, because my phone's not going to last forever doing all this stuff. So I hope you guys really appreciate it. You guys might be excited about DJI, I should say. We'll bleep that out. And you guys probably saw this on Instagram, but I did pick up a drone the other day. Now don't mind the marks on the propellers. I did crash it once, test flight, into the wall. Obviously my controller wasn't linked, but got the same color as the Huracan. Got a couple extra batteries and a couple extra propellers. Nice case, which is what that case was for that I showed you earlier. And then I got a nice carrying case as well with the controller and so on and so forth. Some of you may know I've wanted to do this for about 2018, so about 6 years now. So I'm finally getting the courage to do it. Unfortunately, it's in a time where everyone does it now. Let's do this up. I'm just putting this away, so I'm just going to dump this out now. Let's see how this tastes. Pretty good. Not bad. Well, let's get into the
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. We lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to slay. It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. I wonder what went wrong today. Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say the words to remember.
Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to crush that subscribe button. To watch more videos from Crushin Gears, click that video in your top right corner. Free giveaway at every 1,000 subscribers.